Hello and welcome back YouTube to this quick tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can view any private TikTok account out there. So for the video's sake I found this profile and the person hasn't accepted me yet. So I'm going to use the website that I found to open the account and see any posts or videos that the person has shared. So all you need to do is go to retrievetik.com and click on the view the profile now. You'll be presented with this private viewer and you just need to write in the username of the person you're trying to view. So that's this profile, so let me quickly write that in. So now before you click connect and continue, you need to see that the person you're trying to view, if it's the correct one, and just click continue. Wait for this terminal synchronization thing to finish and then the posts and videos will be unlocked and you can view them, download them, do anything that you want. So as you can see, the profile got unlocked. If you just click on this like this, you can see the photo or video that the person has shared. So yeah, that's it. If you liked the video, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good one.